Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
The user ID. Here, I'm not taking username, I have taken the user ID. This is the third method which I'm doing. I have saved it, copy the proxy user ID. I saved it here. And I will just close it. Now I will go back here. I need to import it. How I will import it? I have downloaded it from Employee Export User. Now for importing, there is a configuration tool. Just try to remember all this configuration tool. Import employee data. Now going into import employee data, we have saved some file, right? You have updated the user ID and saved it. That file will act as a basic input here. Select entity, select basic import. And always remember the CSV format that supports with the file encoding as of 8. And then go to the downloads. I have the downloads. I will open it here. Select that file, open it. It is showing the extension of CSV format. It is a master sheet which we are importing. There is no requirement for the validation. You can click on import. You can see a file has been uploaded into the server successfully and will be examined. The file has been uploaded successfully. To check it in that file, what we have done is we have configured the proxy with the help of user ID. Now the proxy is working successfully or not. Go here, type proxy management. And just scroll down. And just try to search here if it is done or not. We will go with and Venkitesh and then try to search for the account folder. Can you see here? The import which we have done with the help of the import. Again it is showing here because in the initial proxy management we have deleted it. Now again with the help of the CSV import, it is already done. Can you see here? I'm selecting this option again and I'm deleting it. I have deleted. This is a third method. Now you have a fourth method. Here you are uploading directly the master sheet. Now, if you don't want to upload the master sheet, you want to download a template. How you will use the template? For that again, I will go back here and search for proxy import. Now you can see the download template option is there. Let me see the download template option. You have to download the template, a blank CSV template. I'm opening the template. Can you see the template? That is a blank template. Can you see here? In the blank template, the first column user ID specifies the account holders, user ID managers, user ID. Then you have a proxy ID. Proxy ID is the person who is being nominated as a proxy. These are the two areas which we need to work on. And then, what is the permission? What is the grant? What is the permission you are granting that you need to select from? When I go here, the first one we need to do and the second one. When you are using a template here, you can use it for multiple users, bulk users. You can use the proxy to the users at a bulk level. Got it? How you will go and do it again? You need to download the suppose you are, now you are. Opening the sheet and I want to take the user ID. I want to take the user ID, that is, I'm copying. I'm copying the user ID here. I'm going here and I'm just specifying the user ID and proxy ID. Proxy ID, I'm just going here. Copying the proxy ID and pasting it here. And what is the permission I want to give? I want to give it to all. Then I have to select as yes. If I want to only give it to a particular function or feature, I have to go there and specify as yes, like this, how many user IDs and how many proxy IDs. You can able to do it on a bulk. You can able to do it and click on save. And close it. After closing it, what you need to do? You need to import it. Go back here, go back to this particular screen. You choose the file. Select the file. This is the file. And select the file encoding as UTF-8. And you can see extension is CSV and import it. Click on the import. You can see the upload file has been accepted and is being processed. Now, if it is done or not, what you need to do, you again go here, go to the proxy. Go to the proxy management. And come back here and just try to again check if it is there or not. Can you see here? This is the fourth method which we have done. Got it. How we are assigning it? I am deleting it again. This is the fourth method. We have completed the topic for the proxy management. The SAP always recommend that. Suppose see if this is the case for all the 1000 employees. If the same scenario, you will use the CSV. But out of 10,000 employees, suppose you have a 100 cases. Well, for 100 cases, you have to do it. then you will be going and downloading a separate template, that blank template, and copying that particular 100 cases in the template, and you are doing it separately. This is the only difference. But otherwise, the always SAP always has certain best practices. Here the best practices is that they recommend always to go with a template, that is the proxy import, rather going with the master sheet. Master sheet is something where you are using that for all employees you are using, then only you should go with a master sheet for a specific set of users. Go with the template. But all these things are performed from the admin center. Here we come to an end to the proxy management. Now in this session, we have completed up to here. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.